Alright, I'm gonna need you guys to hurry up. This job has to be done in 6 hours. Got a busy day ahead of you. 3 more calls after this one. You should have the pit done by noon. Good luck. May the Lord be with you.
Man, that guy's kind of crazy, isn't he? He thinks we can get the pit done by noon? He told me to use witching sticks to find the sewer. I don't know if this guy's a good boss.
Hey, Nimwit. I'm standing right across the hallway. You know I can hear what you're saying, right? Now don't say another word. For your punishment, every time you measure something, I want to hear the measurement.
Well, that's kind of a weird punishment, isn't it?
Yeah, it's either that, or you can take the rest of the week off.
The rest of the week off? What do you mean the rest of the week off? Like I won't get fired, I just have the rest of the week off?
Yeah, that's a whole week with no pay. Now I'll be back, alright? When I get back, this job better be at least 3/4 of the way done. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, yep, see you later. Hey man, does he really think that a week off, like even with no pay, is a punishment? Because I don't know. And if he's not here, how does he even know if I didn't say out every measurement that I measured? How about this? How about when he comes back, you just tell him that I wasn't doing it. Alright? It'll make you look good, and then I'll get a week off.
Alright, I'm back. Hey, has he been saying every measurement that he measures out loud? He hasn't been? Okay, that does it. You. Yes, you, putting that pipe together down there. You get the rest of the week off. With no pay. Yes!
I mean, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Alright, I guess I'll accept my punishment. But please, I can't afford any more weeks off after this one.
See what you happen when you don't listen, bud? That's called the trades. If you don't listen, you get a week off. If you want to show up late, week off. If you so happen to do anything that I don't approve of, you get a week off. Now I know you've probably been warned about how hard the trades can be on people. That's why. Now I gotta go run another errand. I'll be right back. When I get back, this job better be almost done. And I mean it.
Okay, alright, see you later. Man, this job's awesome. Like anytime I want a week off, I just gotta be late or do something that I already do anyway. Like I didn't even think anything like this existed.
Alright, I'm back. Nice. Looks like my punishment works. See how efficient you guys are now? What would you do without me? That's right. Get that job done.
Yeah, I mean, you have excellent manager skills, I do believe. And I do get that week off still. I mean, I still have to take that week off, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. The rest of the week. Yes!